I'm going to show you two different ways that you can reset your adapter, your Wi-Fi adapter or your Ethernet adapter, so that you don't have to power down your computer to do a reset. The first one I'm going to do, and these are standard on all Windows machines, all different versions. I'm going to do a right click on this thing on my computer, and I'm going to go down to Properties. Now it's going to be highlighted on the General tab. You want to go click on your Hardware tab, I believe it is. And we come up with a box that says Device Manager. Now if you have a different way to get to Device Manager, that's great. Click on that. And now we're going to get all the devices that are on the computer. And so we want to go over to Network Adapter and we want to click with the left. And we can see what we have here is we've got the Gigabyte network connection. I don't have a Wi-Fi connection on here. I've got it going through the router, but I don't have a Wi-Fi built in. But it's exactly the same. What you would do is you would right click on that, and then you would go Disable. Now you're going to get a box that's going to come up. Disable and stop it from functioning, and you want to click Yes. Okay, so you can see it's disabled now. It's still there, but it's disabled. Now you have two different ways you could do this. You can right click and you can do an enable, or something a lot of people don't know about is you can go over to here to the top and you can right click here and scan for new hardware. A lot of people don't know about that. It's going to do its scanning and shows you what's available in the thing, and then you see that it's disabled and you go and enable. And now we have a network adapter that's working again. At the bottom it says that our connection has been connected. Our LAN is now connected. So it shows you that this definitely works. There's another way to do this. Start button and click it with your mouse button. Left click. And go over to here to run. And then you want to type in command. For those brilliant people that don't know how to spell command, C-O-M-M-A-N-D, and then you want to click OK. A box is going to come up. This box is your command prompt. It's called a command prompt. And we're going to type in IP C-O-N-F-I-G. That's, where did that go? That's IP-C-O-N-F-I-G, ipconfig space slash, you got to get this right, space slash release. You want to release. You want to have a good release. For those of you that don't know how to spell it, R-E-L-E-A-S-E. And then you're going to hit enter on your keyboard. Now, this is going to release all of your Ethernet connections. And now we should be seeing that. And there we just lost our connectivity. No, no, no on the connectivity. Now we've got a couple ways that we can start it back up. We can go over to here and we can right click. And when you right click, you get this thing that says status or repair. Or also have this box over here that says repair. But there's a different way to do it, especially if you have Wi-Fi. It doesn't always connect back all of your connections. You might have to power down for some of your connections, but it should reset your Ethernet and your Wi-Fi. So I'm going to show you what you do now. Back over to your command prompt, and you're going to do IP C-O-N-F-I-G ipconfig space slash renew, R-E-N-E-W, and then we're going to hit the enter on the keyboard, and it's going to renew all of our connections. It's trying to figure out what to do. It just gave us the IP address. And let's see what happens here. At the bottom, we just got our connection back. Look at that. Amazing. And then just to verify it, we can see in the device manager that we have the network connection. So these are the two ways to do it. Your IP config, or go into the device manager and disable, enable. Very easy way to do it. Please do a thumbs up, subscribe, a like, go to the channel page if this helped you. The tech support is never free, we know that. Well, sometimes it is. Go to the channel page, click on the support button, and leave a donation if you feel like it. And good luck fixing your Wi-Fi and LAN connections.